Hey, YouTubians. Hey, I say that on my channel. I found Rob's camera. Guess what else I found, guys? Access to his YouTube. So we're going to show you the 60 here at Bug Jam. Check this thing out. I have no idea. Oh, crap, busted.
All right, so Bug Jam 2023.
2023, dude.
The first car I wanted to check out was the 60 because I've been following on your channel.
Thanks to your advice over the years, too, for helping me kind of rein my head in and help me and when I get stuck in certain areas.
I do what I can.
Well, friends help friends, right?
Yep.
All right.
Let's check it out. So,
what do you want to see?
I don't know. There's so much to see here. I mean, it's all been covered on your channel, but obviously you've stretched the front end out a bit.
Yep, the front end stretched out 10 inches with a homemade beam extension. We did 15 by 8 rims all the way around with 3950s. We got the custom transmission geared for the big motor out of Jawbreaker that went in the car. You know, custom Nerf bars, and just kind of try to do things more budget friendly instead of spending $50,000 to try to build a car that you're eventually going to scratch. Seats and all that's the interior. I tried to keep simple, try to keep it clean. Stock door panels, Mini Cooper seats, peel and stick flooring.
Ah, look at that.
And I even have exercise mat for a headliner.
Come on.
Yep.
I don't know.
It ain't perfect, and I don't care. The theme of this car is perfectly imperfect. I want it to be usable, and I want it to make sense.
If you've ever done a headliner, they're no fun.
They're no fun.
I don't care if it's exercise mats or not.
No, headliners are not fun. And then being tall and trying to be all like this, yeah, it doesn't work, man.
You're not tall.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not tall.
Let's see. Let's go.
Not tall. And you're not short. So the motor got built for Jawbreaker, and then about 5 months later is when I acquired this car, and I said, that's it. That motor's going in this car when it's done. It just has to.
Will it do a wheelie?
Probably not. I don't want to break nothing.
Come on, you wouldn't break anything.
Nah, don't want to break nothing.
Got the old Nerf bars.
Yep, homemade Nerf bars out of some 3/4 inch EMT and some sheet metal, dimple dyed it, and threw some ammo boxes on the side just to hold quart of oil, WD-40, just basic stuff.
Kind of need oil when you have one of these.
Yeah, they like to use and drip sometimes. So, you know, again, just try to keep it simple, not over the top, but unique. Everything that I kind of liked, different styles, all wrapped up into one thing, and this is what it morphed into.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that.
Been a while since you've been on the channel, but I got a quick question for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
You had this fan on your dash that was really cool. And I was gonna hook it up. Did you get it hooked up?
I did not, and I said that in the last video, and I'm a big fat liar.
That's like 2 years ago.
Yeah, still haven't hooked it up.
We chase, got some egos to the face, baby. I don't need no space coming.
Well, it's a cool fan.
Everything just fade away, cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
First thing I see here is this bus. And you may not remember the way it looks now, but it was the blue patina bus.
Hey, good morning. Glad to be here. Bug Jam.
So look at this thing.
Today's the debut.
Look at this thing, man. You've got it all done up, man. A lot of people are like, man, why is he going to paint that thing? It's beautiful patina.
Yeah, but I'm a painter, you know, and I had to paint it. That was just me. It looked beautiful before, but I had to paint it. So This is it. Change the colors. I love it. Mouse gray and white.
Yeah.
Ryan did all the suspension, rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, the IRS rear suspension. I mean, phenomenal. And he did the hydraulics here. We got a little, we can cruise 75 miles an hour, smooth as silk. And then when it's showtime, we just let it on down. Beautiful.
I'm going to pop in a little bit of a clip of the other version of it with it blue.
Yeah.
Well, let's do a poll. Let's see,
Yeah.
painted or patina? What do you think? In the comments, let us know. Give us your vote.
Yeah.
Have a great show, Mark. Hope you win.
Thanks, man.
If I was a judge, I'd be voting for you.
Thanks, guys. Enjoy.
I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase.
All right, we're here with Jeffro. Been on the channel a few times.
Yes, we
And
are.
you've got another crazy...
I do.
How do you come up with these things?
They come to me. I'm a big believer that if you're nice to Volkswagens and you're nice to the universe, that they bring you stuff.
So this is the Nacho Bug. And
That's right.
what do you do with the Nacho Bug?
Well, it started life as a taxi cab in Mexico, 1995. Never had a passenger seat because in Mexico they were green and white, the Beetles, and you would get in the passenger side, you'd sit in the back. So all taxi cabs were like two passenger with the driver. It lived its life as a taxi, and then somebody cut up the back and put on this fiberglass cap, which was custom made, so it could be an ice cream truck in Mexico. If you look, this is the back window of the Beetle. So it's been repurposed. So that's the actual back window from when they cut it up.
Can't let anything go to waste.
Yep. So it lived its life. It did 10, 15 years, we think, as an ice cream truck. If you look really close, it says precautionary Nino underneath the paint here. Because kids. So we left all the patina on it, all the marks from the kids with their bicycles when they'd slam it up here and order their, could I have an ice cream? You know, they would order, this is the cash window right here. So you put your peso down right there. And then somebody would hand you a ice cream bar.
The Superman ice cream.
Superman ice cream, exactly. I got it in Texas on the edge of the border. It had already crossed over. His paperwork is pending, right? You know, he's an illegal alien that's trying to do the right thing. And I decided to repurpose it into a Nacho wagon because it's Nacho Bug. Everybody wants it, and it's Nacho Bug. It's my bug.